I've been feeling so.
What's up guys, Sadie and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third video of Let's Talk Fashion. I'm super excited for this one because this one is one of my absolute favorite and I love putting together outfits. So that's what I'm going to do today. So for the first one, I decided to go with a monochromatic outfit which is literally black on black, and black is my favorite color. So if you don't know, now you know. So I went with a black outfit, and then to add a little color I paired it with a cardigan which has blue and orange color in it, and it just added a nice pop of color to an outfit because we are wearing black, and with that it looks so good. And then I went with a statement earring and also paired it with a colored bag, and I completed the whole outfit with wearing some white sneakers, and that's the look. So for this next one I went for a dress, and to make it a little more casual I paired it with some white sneakers, added a statement earring, and to finish it off I added my favorite denim jacket and a tan bag, and yeah, I'm ready for a beach vacation kind of look. Since the last outfit was more casual and laid back, I'm going to show you how you can take the same dress and make it a more professional or officey kind of outfit. So for that I'm going to add a blazer so that it adds a little more structure to the outfit, and I'm going to use the same tan bag, and yeah, it just makes that outfit look a little more professional. And to finish it off I added a scrunchie because the dress has some blue patterns in it and I just wanted to highlight the blue as well, so that's why I added a scrunchie, and this is how the outfit looks like. So for this look I went with a blue t-shirt and some grey pants. So since I didn't like the t-shirt how it was looking on the trousers, so I went ahead and cropped it. And no, I did not took the pair of scissors and cropped it. If you haven't seen my video on how to crop your t-shirt without actually cutting it, then I'll have a link right here so you can go and check that video out. Then to make it even more interesting I added some dainty jewelries just to bring some light to the outfit. And then I went ahead with a cap because why not, you know, and the cap kind of matches with the trousers, so we kind of have a color coordination going here. And then I added a scrunchie because the scrunchie was kind of the same color as the top. And then to complete the whole outfit I went ahead and paired it with some sneakers, and that's the look. So whenever you think that you have nothing to wear, coordinates are the way to go because they just go hand in hand and they are a set, so you don't have to worry about what to pair and with what. So I paired my coordinates with some statement earrings, and I also went ahead and added some sunglasses because the tones kind of match, so I just added that. And then I went ahead and added my tan bag, and to finish the whole look I added my favorite sneakers, and because the set had blue color I wanted it to pop, so I added my scrunchie, and that's the look. Now this next look is kind of loungy and a little more chill, so I added a bright pop of color tank top, and with that I added a straight leg pants. And then to add a little more statement to it I just added my statement earrings and went ahead with the same sunglasses because the statement earring and the sunglasses had the same tones, so I just wanted to add that. And then to finish the outfit I just went ahead and added my sneakers to complete the look, and that's it. So this next one is kind of similar as the last one but a little different. So for this one I went ahead and added my comfy track pants, and with that I added a red top, and because the track pant had red flowers on it, so I just wanted red to kind of shine in that outfit, so I went ahead and added a red top. And then I also went ahead and added a red shoes because why not. And then to complete the whole outfit I just went ahead and added my jewelries, which is nothing but my earrings and my necklace, and that's the look. For the last outfit, I really want to keep it as the little black dress because why not? So you can take this dress from day to night, but because it's day, I wanted it to be a little more casual, so I paired it with my tan bag, some earrings, and I wore it with some sneakers to make it more casual. But you can easily pair some heels and some, like some heavy makeup, and yeah, you're ready.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.